संगम डायनेस्टीटा मिडिएभाल रे आसे ना एंशिएंट रे आसे
Same.
which article has the provision for the council of minister to aid and advise governor article 163 64 65 66
164.
council of minister to aid and advise governor article 163 which article deals with the duties of chief minister 167 167 duties of chief minister which article deals with the definition of money bill
Article 5
110.
definition of money bill
108.
Joint. Joint sitting. I know.
very good 109 which article deals with assent of the governor to ordinary
109 na 110?
199
One definition of money bill 199.
yes assent of governor which article deals with assent of governor to the bill ordinary bill article 200 which article deals with assent of president to ordinary bill 201 which article deals with special provisions with respect to state of Manipur
Second state of
Manipur
171. Sorry, 71.
371.
371.
371. See,
371 ABCD
C.
बहुत बढ़िया
C.
371 C which article deals with special provision with respect to state of Arunachal Pradesh
see.
B. No, B no.
H.
371 बहुत बढ़िया H 371 H which article deals with special provision with respect to states of Maharashtra and Gujarat
Gujarat
J.
Maharashtra A.
370.
71.
71. 371. 371.
371.
371 very good which article deals with special provision with respect to state of Nagaland
A. 371 A.
370.
371A which article deals with special provision with respect to state of Sikkim
Last.
F.
F बहुत बढ़िया F
F. F.
371 F which article deals with special provision with respect to state of Andhra Pradesh or Telangana?
E.
तीन
E.
चार 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 डी
Chari
डी
कौन
डी
होता है?
सर
371D, very good. Which article deals with special provision with respect to state of Assam?
Assam B.
Very good.
असम भी है
371B. State of Goa?
Goa J.
जे जे
J.
I.
जेटा
371I.
कर्नाटक
Very good.
J টা কর্ণাটক কি?
371J is
कर्नाटक
Karnataka. Which article deals with establishment of Central University in Andhra Pradesh?
এটা
पांच
E.
है ई
E. Very good.
E.
371E. Special provision with respect to state of Mizoram?
राम जी
G.
G. Very good. Which article deals with the appointment of governor?
153.
153.
Appointment of governor? 155. Oath or affirmation by governor?
161.
159. Very good. 159. Which article states that the executive power of state shall be vested in the governor?
154.
Very good. 154. Which article deals with the qualification for appointment as governor?
155.
155.
57. Very good. 157. Appointment of governor 155. Qualification for appointment of governor 57. 157. Conditions of government governor's office
58.
158. Very good. Power of governor to grant pardons. Pardoning power
एकसठ
161.
161.
161.
161.
161.
161
161. Council of Ministers to aid and advise governor. Authore
163.
163. Very good. Assent to bills.
200.
बहुत बढ़िया.
200.
Appointment of district judges by governor. Appointment of district judges by governor.
214.
33.
बहुत बढ़िया. 233. 233. Power of governor to promulgate ordinance.
123.
Governor.
213
213.
213
213.
213. 213. 213. 213. ଶୁଭିଲା? Under which article Council of Ministers is directly responsible to Lok Sabha?
75
बहुत बढ़िया. Article 75. Council of Ministers is directly responsible to Lok Sabha. Under which article Rajya Sabha can authorize the Parliament to create new All India services?
213. ନା ନା
क्या ହେଇଗଲା?
214.
312.
312.
312.
312. Under Article 312, Rajya Sabha can authorize the Parliament to create new All India services. Only Rajya Sabha can initiate a move for removal of Vice President. Under which article? Only Rajya Sabha can initiate a move for the removal of Vice President. Under which article? 64, 66, 67, 69.
59.
Only Rajya Sabha can initiate a move for the removal of Vice President. Under Article 67. A money bill can be introduced only in which house?
लोकसभा
Lok Sabha.
Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is upper or lower house?
लोअर हाउस
Lower house.
Lower house.
लोअर हाउस
Lower house. ठीक ना भूल कहबो. राज्य सभा कैन amend or reject a money bill.
भूल
No.
भूल
Bhulu. Bhulu.
भूल
भूल अछि. Rajya Sabha cannot amend or reject a money bill. Rajya Sabha should return the bill within how many days to Lok Sabha?
14 days.
14 days.
Within 14 days. Which article deals with contingency fund of India?
266
267.
67. 267 contingency fund of India. Which article deals with consolidated fund of India?
266
266.
266.
बहुत बढ़िया 266. Quorum for joint sitting is dash percent of the total number of members of two houses.
1/10
1 tenth.
1/10
1 tenth.
1/10. Who presides over the joint sitting of two houses?
President.
President.
president
President.
President.
Speaker.
Speaker of Lok Sabha.
Speaker.
both the parliament both house sir କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
कौन कौन?
both house
हाँ
Both
तो
house.
both house
two houses
both house ରେ sir president ହବ
joint sitting रे in the
Joint sitting of Speaker of Lok Sabha.
हाँ in the absence of Speaker of Lok Sabha, who presides over the joint sitting of two houses?
pro tem speaker
Deputy Speaker.
Deputy Speaker.
Deputy Speaker. If Deputy Speaker is also absent, who presides over the
Pro
joint
tem. Pro tem Speaker. Pro tem.
ନାଇଁ ନା ତମେ ଏଇଟା କୁହ ପ୍ରୋଟେମ୍ ସ୍ପିକର କଣ ମାନେ କିଏ କରିବ ପଦବୀ କୁହ
Any member of the house.
ଡେପୁଟି ଚେୟାରପର୍ସନ ଅଫ ରାଜ୍ୟସଭା ଡେପୁଟି ଚେୟାରପର୍ସନ ଅଫ ରାଜ୍ୟସଭା ordinary bill can be introduced either in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha ठीक ना भूल
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି money bill can be introduced only by minister ठीक ना भूल
ଭୁଲ
Village.
କହିଲେ କେବଳ ହେଇଯିବ
very good ठीक ଅଛି
ସେଟା କଣ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର କରିବ
बिल्कुल only by minister money bill can be introduced only on the recommendation of president ठीक ना भूल
ଭୁଲ ସ୍ପିକର
ठीक ଅଛି
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
money bill can be introduced only on the recommendation of president recommendation दबो ना president money bill can be detained by Rajya Sabha for a maximum period of 14 days
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ଠିକ
Good.
ଅଛି।
ठीक ଅଛି ordinary bill can be detained by Rajya Sabha for maximum period of 14 days
6 month
6 months.
କାହିଁକି ହଁ ପରେ 6 months ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ which article under which article constitution provides an machinery of joint sitting of two houses
108.
108
108 ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ the presiding officer of Rajya Sabha who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha
Vice President.
Vice President.
vice president which article deals with pro tem speaker
180.
91 93 95 97 pro tem speaker article 95 deputy speaker
94.
93
ମାଇକ୍ ସ୍ପିକର ଟା ସାର୍ ବନ୍ଦ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
କିଏ ମୁଁ
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଜୟଶ୍ରୀ ନା କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
अच्छा अच्छा।
ଶୁଭୁନି ଇକୋ ହଉଛି।
अरे म्यूट करो जयस्मिता। नेक्स्ट, which article deals with the pardoning power of president?
72.
72.
72.
72. Which article deals with ordinance making power of president?
108 ବା।
1, 2,
123.
3.
123.
23
Which article deals with national emergency?
352
1,
352.
352. 352. Very good.
350.
The proclamation of national emergency must be approved by parliament within 6 months. ठीक ना भूल?
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
भूल अच्छी within 1 month. Proclamation approve ହେବା ଦରକାର by parliament within 1 month. Proclamation of financial emergency must be approved by parliament within 2 months. ठीक ना भूल?
ଭୁଲ।
ଠିକ
ठीक
ଅଛି।
अच्छी. Both state and financial emergency must be approved. Proclamation should be approved within 2 months. Financial emergency has not been declared so far. ठीक ना भूल?
ଠିକ ଠିକ ଫାଇନାନ୍ସ ଏମର୍ଜେନ୍ସି ଲାଗିନି କେତେ।
Very good.
ଲାଗିପାରିବନି ବି।
How many types of veto powers of president are there?
3ଟା
3 types.
3 types.
Three. କୋଉଟା କୋଉଟା?
ଆବସୋଲ୍ୟୁଟ ଭେଟୋ, ପକେଟ ଭେଟୋ, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି ଭେଟୋ
Suspensive veto.
ସସ୍ପେନ୍ସିଭ ଭେଟୋ।
Who appoints the Attorney General of India?
ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ।
President.
President.
Under which article President can seek
7.
advice from Supreme Court of India on any question of
1,
law?
4, 3.
143. बहुत बढ़िया.
1.
Which article deals with the provisions in case of failure of constitutional machinery in states?
356.
352. 356.
356. ବର୍ଷା ହଉଛି? Which article deals with the to which article states to prohibit the consumption of intoxicating drinks and drugs which are injurious to health?
40.
48.
47. To prohibit the consumption of intoxicating drinks and drugs which are injurious to health. Which article deals with the promotion of cooperative societies?
43
43B.
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 43B. 43B. Organization of village panchayats.
40 40
40.
40.
40. To promote cottage industries in rural areas.
43.
43. बहुत बढ़िया.
43.
Article 43B was added by which amendment act?
97.
42nd.
97th
97
Amendment Act 2011. Protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding of forest and wildlife.
48
48A.
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 58. It was added by which amendment act?
44th.
42nd Amendment Act 1976. Provision for early childhood care and education to children below age of 6 years.
45.
45.
45.
45.
Uniform Civil Code for Citizens.
44
44.
44. 44. Promotion of international peace and security.
51.
51
51.
51. 51. Organization of Agriculture and Animal Husbandry by state.
48.
40.
48.
48.
बढ़िया, 48.
48.
Promotion of educational and economic interest of SC and ST and other weaker sections.
46.
46.
46.
46.
46. Protection of monuments and places of national
49
importance.
49.
49.
49. 49. Separation of judiciary from executive.
50
50.
50.
50. Provision for just and human conditions of work and maternity relief.
42
42.
42.
43.
40.
42. 42.
42.
42. Provision for just and human conditions of work and maternity relief. Participation of workers in management of industries.
43A.
43. 43.
43A.
43A.
41.
43A. Participation of workers in management of industries. It was added by which Amendment Act?
44.
Same 42nd Amendment Act 1976. To secure the right to work, to education, and to public assistance in case of unemployment.
41. 41.
41. 41. Living wage for workers.
39
43.
39.
43.
43. 43.
43. Living wages.
43. Equal justice and free legal aid to the poor.
39A.
39A.
39A. It was added by which
39
Amendment Act? 42nd Amendment Act 1976 रे add ହେଇଥିଲା. State to minimize inequalities in income status facilities and opportunities.
এটা স্যার 37 কি
9. Congress.
State to minimize inequalities in income status
38.
facilities and opportunities. बहुत बढ़िया. Article 38 added by which Amendment Act?
42nd
42.
42.
44th Amendment Act 1978. 44th Amendment Act 1978. तीनटा प्रिंसिपल अच्छी जानछ डीपीएसपी रे.
गांधीयन ଆଉ ଯୋଉ
Liberal, Gandhian,
ଲିବର
सोशलिस्ट.
Socialist.
ସୋସିଆଲିଷ୍ଟ
तो एबे कुह 39A टा को प्रिंसिपल रे आसुची.
ସେଟା
ଗାନ୍ଧୀଆନ
ଗାନ୍ଧୀଆନ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପଲ
39A कोन?
liberal,
Equal
liberal,
justice and
39A
legal aid to the poor.
social ଏଟା।
बहुत बढ़िया.
ସୋସିଆଲ
सोशलिस्ट. तो आर्टिकल पूरा ठीक से जानी थिले ही इजीली कहि हबो. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ विलेज पंचायत को
ନା ଗାନ୍ଧୀଆନ
Gandhian,
ଗାନ୍ଧୀଆନ
गांधीयन प्रिंसिपल. Participation of workers in management of industries.
ସୋସିଆଲ
Socialist.
ଲିବରାଲ
Socialist principle. Which article deals with protection of interest of minorities?
ସେଇଟା
29,
29. 29.
29. Right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions.
30,
30.
30,
30. Right to constitutional remedies.
32,
32
2.
32. Freedom from attending religious instruction.
28
28.
28
28. Freedom from taxation for promotion of a religion.
27.
27
27. Freedom to manage religious affairs.
26.
26. Freedom of conscience and free profession and
25
profession of religion.
25.
25. Prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor.
23. 23.
23
23,
23. Prohibition of employment of children in factories.
24
24,
4.
24. Protection against arrest and detention.
22.
22. 22.
22
गोटे पर्सन को डिटेन करिबा विदाउट ट्रायल को कौन कहती? प्यूनिटिव डिटेंशन ना प्रिवेंटिव डिटेंशन?
preventive detention
detention.
विदाउट ट्रायल
Preventive.
कण नहीं देखी नहीं देखी हाँ जान प्रिवेंटिव डिटेंशन विदाउट ट्रायल आ कन्विक्शन बाय कोर्ट हेले सेटा हला प्रिवेंटिव डिटेंशन आ विथ आफ्टर ट्रायल एंड कन्विक्शन इन कोर्ट हेले सेटा हला प्यूनिटिव डिटेंशन पनिशमेंट रु प्यूनिटिव हेची से हिसाब राइट टू एजुकेशन
21A.
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 प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ लाइफ एंड पर्सनल लिबर्टी
21.
21.
20 protection in respect of conviction for offences
48
20.
20.
20 freedom of residence
Resident.
19.
90.
19
19e freedom of profession
E.
19F
19f
19A.
19f freedom of assembly
19B
19B.
B. 19B.
19b freedom of movement
19D
A.
19D.
19d
D.
freedom of association
93. C.
19C.
C.
19c 19c abolition of titles
17
18.
18.
18
17.
18
So title 18.
freedom
18.
of speech and expression
19A.
19A.
19a abolition of untouchability
17.
17
prohibition of discrimination on certain grounds
15. 15.
15.
15 equality of opportunity in public employment
16.
16.
Hold on.
16 equality before law
14
14.
14 article 226 कौन
Reads by High Court.
Read.
Reads by
High Court to karibo.
high court 32
Supreme
Supreme Court
Court.
read karibo.
supreme court कौन कौन କିଛି ଶୁଭୁନି
O D zero de facto. Different.
କଣ କୁହ ଯିଏ ଜାଣିଛି
President karibo. D zero hochi president karibo. D factor ta prime minister.
ସେମିତି କି କଣ ମାନେ କଣ ମାନେ କୁହ କିଏ ଜାଣିଛ ହୁଁ